Hello?
Hey, this is Alex. I'm a manager
Okay,
here
yeah.
and I'm on a recorded line. I have a few minutes to chat with you and see if we can reschedule that appointment. I apologize in advance if there's any audio lag today. It's been a bit of an issue, but let's get to it. What got you in the market for a car?
Like just a regular four-door.
Got it. So you're looking for a regular car, not specific. We have a wide range of options available, so we can definitely help you find something that suits your needs. Can you tell me a bit more about what you're looking for in a car?
Something that's not too high with gas.
No problem, I totally get it. So, besides fuel efficiency, what are some other things that you're looking for in a car? Any specific features or requirements that are important to you?
Yeah, taking my kids to school and getting to doctor's appointments.
So you need a car that's reliable and spacious enough to accommodate your kids and their school needs as well as doctor's appointments. It's really helpful for us to understand your needs so we can assist you better. Now I'd like to schedule an in-store visit with one of our team members to further assist you. How about September 5th, 06 p.m. or September 06th, 08 p.m.?
Yeah. Okay, I had a question. I don't have a bank account. I get paid through cash, and my credit is messed up, and I told them that. They told me, yeah, well, I'm hoping to get my credit fixed by, I'm trying my best to get there, but I just wanted to confirm that with you before I even go to the place, and it may not waste my time if I can't get something, if I don't have the right things for you guys.
Absolutely, I understand what you mean. It's important to have clarity and make sure you have everything in order before investing your time in visiting the dealership.
Right.
So, to ensure that you have all the necessary information and requirements, I recommend speaking with one of our team members directly. They will be able to provide you with the specific details and guide you through the process. Would you like me to connect you with someone from our team?
Yes.
Great. I'll make sure to connect you with one of our team members who can assist you further. Before I do that, I just want to confirm the appointment time. We have September 05th at 06 p.m. and September 06th at 08 p.m. available. Which one works best for you?
Take the September 5th.
Got it. I'll go ahead and schedule your appointment for September the 5th.
Do I get a deal for my birthday? Tomorrow's my birthday, so I'm hoping I get a deal.
Oh, happy early birthday. While we don't have any specific birthday deals, we always strive to provide our customers with the best possible offers and options. I'm sure our team will be happy to assist you and see what we can do to make your car buying experience special. Looking forward to seeing you on September 05th.
Thank you.